hi. Hi. Guess who's back? My OG fam probably remembers. Okay, that's like super OG though. Like 2017 fam.
Oh my god, it's been a while.
It's been a long time.
It's been a hot minute.
Jess is back in town. I just did my makeup like this, just super natural. I think probably the most natural look I've ever done on my channel. No makeup that I do like kind of on the daily if I'm just going I don't know, to the grocery store to run errands. So I'm gonna show you that, but first we're gonna flash back to earlier when I picked Jess up and our pure excitement and then our plans for 2020, which we got very excited about.
We're going to Europe. It's happening.
It's happening. You guys have to see the clip though because it was so iconic.
We were like at the beach jumping around like crazy people and people were just staring at us.
Like legit crazy people.
But it was an iconic moment.
It was so super beautiful. Iconic. And then after this, we're gonna go to Whole Foods. We're gonna get some food. We're gonna do a mukbang. And then we're going to Karen's house for kind of like a girls' night. And vision boards.
Vision boards.
So yeah, really eventful day, honestly. We're really doing it up today. Like, I feel like this vlog is like a super vlog. It has like everything.
Yeah.
It has like day in my life, winter, no makeup. It has a mukbang, and then it's gonna have more vlog at the end.
I'm really excited for that mukbang. I'm so hungry.
Same. We're both so hungry. Okay, well, flashback to earlier. Also, don't forget to subscribe.
Oh wait, I want to do that. Bye.
That was literally so awkward. Someone just saw me holding up my vlog camera and I think they thought I was taking a selfie and it's just not the vibe. Hi guys. I feel like I look like a boy today because I have like no makeup on, no earrings or rings or like anything except my necklace. And I'm not gonna lie, every time that I like, if I don't wear makeup, I usually wear jewelry because I feel like it kind of like still picks you up a little bit. But that's besides the point. Today is such an exciting day. Like, I literally cannot believe it. This lighting is literally the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. But today is such an exciting day because my friend Jess, who you guys have all seen and known and loved in previous vlogs over the years, is coming to LA. I'm about to go pick her up and I'm so excited. I'm at the airport right now. This is very stressful because I just saw her. Yeet! Look, I just left my car there. I didn't have time to put on makeup.
Oh, that's okay. I can't believe it was like, I just came out and you're like, hey.
It's so good to see you. Really? Okay, wait. Also, my camera's about to die. I love that.
Oh, love that.
Say it.
Yo, it's been a while, vlog fam.
Yeet. 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 Oh my god. No, it's literally been a long time though.
It's been so fucking long.
Like,
oh wait, I mean it's been so.
I have no gas. Literally, look.
Oh, so I guess we're staying here.
Love that.
My god.
Staying at the airport. But it's literally been like 2 years, I think.
2 years since I've been in LA, yeah.
Since Vlogmas, that time.
Yeah.
When
Plus
we, like,
the
went
last
around.
time we saw each other was in Vancouver. When I got my tattoo.
That was the last time?
Yeah, that was the last one. That was like a year ago. No, over a year.
That was over. That was in the summer because Tim was in Vietnam.
Yeah. Crazy. Dude, the time went by so quickly. Like, I don't even know what we were doing.
Dude, I know. How does 2 years go by like that? Obviously, we don't see each other like all the time, but whenever we see each other, we like snap right back into it. Like, it's like no time has passed at all.
You know, before I came, I spent hours rewatching like every vlog that we had together. Just because I was like, oh my god, like I'm so excited, I want to like reminisce, and we did some stupid ass stuff.
We
like,
did hell
the one
stuff.
Vlog where
we got 5 piercings.
Yeah, that one, and also the one where in the same vlog I think where I got pissed off at you for like
and then I was like, oh, I really like this lipstick, and you were like, that's so ugly. And then the next day you were like, oh, I really want that lipstick, and I was like, the one you said was ugly. Yeet. You know. You guys. I don't even know what to say.
Okay, so basically we have come to this conclusion.
Oh, we also came to the beach.
Oh yeah. This is an iconic moment for us.
This
okay?
is
iconic,
probably one of our most iconic moments of life itself. We are putting it out there. We're going to Europe this summer. We're going to south of France. We're going to Italy.
Euro trip of our lives.
Euro trip of our lives. Euro trip of our lives. Euro trip of our lives. Euro trip of our lives. No, legit, this is happening though. And this is our proof because we've been sitting
We
here.
gotta keep ourselves accountable. So this video is for us to like look back onto and be like, yeah, we're going on this Euro trip. We really need to have like the trip of our lives.
And this is gonna be it. This summer. 2020 is the year.
Oh my god.
And we're gonna remember it. Like the things that we're talking about, dude.
Oh my god.
We're gonna remember it for literally the rest of of our lives, okay? It's happening. We're putting it out into the universe. It's happening.
Also, we like have been shouting and screaming and jumping around, and people have just been looking at us like we're
But I'm kind of used to that. People always look at me
so
like
excited. Can you promise?
Boom!
We're going. It's happening.
We're
it's
going.
A thing, okay?
It's a thing. It's a thing. This means lock it in, pop,
it
lock
in.
and drop it, pop in, pop, lock and drop it, pop, lock and drop it. Summer 2020, Euro trip of our lives.
2020 is our year. Euro trip of our lives. 2020, like
it's happening.
I'm so excited. Oh my God.
I am literally so excited. Also, we're literally wearing the same outfit, and we didn't even try like Air Force Ones, leggings, and then black hoodies.
Can I do the thing? Can I do the thing? Okay, guys, so excited. Stay tuned. Whoop.
That's
wait,
not
wait.
it.
Oh wait,
It's over here.
So excited. Boom.
So we went to Earth. That's a vibe of its own. Wow, this is so Instagram-y.
By the way, Vlog Fam, I missed you.
Oh.
We back.
We back 2 years later.
Back.
We back. We back. Oh, yeet, 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 yeet. I don't know why I'm so nervous all of a sudden. Literally, I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna get yeet right into right into this no makeup. So it's kind of like a 10-minute makeup challenge. I feel like I look super stupid right now because it looks like I'm like a floating head with like this hoodie on, but whatever. It's already like, it's 5:30, but it gets dark so early nowadays, so this is just what we're dealing with. So normally when I do my no makeup, especially in the winter, I love using like hydrating product. Obviously it starts with skincare. I already did my moisturizer, but I'll go in with a little bit of eye cream. This eye cream, it's the one I bought in my Black Friday haul. It actually tingles your eyes underneath because it has like peptides in it. So it tingles it and it makes your dark circles go away. And I honestly feel like my dark circles have really improved since using that. So Serum Stick by Tatcha, bomb for hydration. You guys know I'm literally always about hydrating the skin, but especially in the winter. And also especially when, you know, you're doing a little light makeup, it's nice to get a natural glow going, a natural hydrating glow. And then I'm gonna go in with my tinted moisturizer. I really like the Coloupop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid tinted moisturizer. I feel like I said acid like really crazy. I was like, acid? No, but this one's really good because it's actually really hydrating because it does have that hyaluronic acid in it. And it just keeps my skin hydrated all day, which is probably like the most important thing in the winter. It just gives you like a little tint. It honestly looks like nothing, but it makes you feel like you have a little something, you know? I'm gonna do a little contouring, cream contouring to get just a little extra snatched tonight.
Hi.
Yeet, yeet, yeet. Look what she's doing. Snatch up the face just a little bit more because you know I need it.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. My face is so fat.
No, it's not.
It is.
You literally look the same as the last time I saw you.
Do I?
Yeah, honestly.
Really?
Yeah, but I think your skin looks better now.
Ooh, thank you.
Yeah.
See, get you some friends that hype you up like this.
Yeah.
Euro trip of our lives is about to be so lit, like not even joking. And the one that I use, the palette that I use is the RCMA foundation palette. And then I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. This one is NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I really like this one for no makeup because you don't really have to set it and it makes a huge difference. Like even look at that, like it really covers all my dark circles. And it's because it's that soft matte texture, you legit do not need to set it. I don't really use powders when I'm doing this like quick and easy no makeup. Dude, look at the difference between these two eyes. How much like brighter this one looks and that one's like
oh
sad.
my God, you're right.
Right?
It's not sad, but it's like,
this one's like, I need help, I haven't slept in 3 days. This one's like, we ready for Euro Trip 2020. This is like a liquid blush from Giorgio Armani. So good, dude. Like legit so good. I just literally take it on like my hands, and this has a little bit of like highlight in it, so it helps give you like a very glowy look as well. It's so pretty.
wow.
Dude, it's so nice. It's just like a really light liquid blush. I love your commentary. Oh,
Sorry,
wow.
I'm so fascinated. Because I usually, like, I don't really know anything about makeup, so I love watching your videos and discovering new We need that on the Euro trip.
We definitely need this on the this is for sure coming on the Euro trip 2020. I usually just brush up my brows. For lips, this is like my go-to. NYX Cosmetics Nude Truffle Lip Liner. This is like OG beauty YouTuber. Like, you should see my setup right now. I'm like really makeshift, okay?
It's really, really ratchet.
It's so ratchet. We felt like it was a vibe, and it was honestly just a little different than like, I feel like maybe you guys kind of get sick of just seeing like studio lighting, studio lighting, studio lighting. Like, this is the real deal right here. You know what I mean? Yeah. This is a real deal. So yeah, anyways, Nude Truffle Lip Liner from NYX. So I go right at the Cupid's bow. And because this color is like matches my lips really well, you can't really tell that I'm wearing anything. Ugh, dude, I love it because like, it legit doesn't look like I'm wearing like lip liner, but it just makes my pout a little bigger.
It looks good.
It looks really good. Last step, I just go in with like any lip balm. I'm gonna use Aquaphor today, just in the center of the lips because I just lined the outside part, and then I'll just go like and moisturize my lips, especially again in the winter. Obviously necessary. Iconic. Iconically necessary. That's all she wrote. No makeup, yeet, winter, 2019, almost 2020, ayy. And then we're almost going to our Euro trip 2020. Well, in 8 months.
Only 8 months away, but like, it'll go back.
Okay, we're gonna go to Whole Foods and then still do a mukbang. Well, this vlog is like everything. It's like all in one.
Yeah. We do really random stuff all the
We
time.
do such random stuff. Also tomorrow, we might go get a dog.
Oh my god.
Should I show them and like put it out into the universe what kind of dog I want?
Yes. I think that she should get a French bulldog. Ooh.
Tea. There's some tea. Oh my god. But honestly, like,
That's pretty cute. That's pretty cute.
What? That is actually the cutest dog I have ever seen in my life. This is my like family's dog. Her name is Sophie.
Oh my god.
So cute. Wait, we have to show them like up close.
The one with like the white right here.
Dude, I know.
So let's go find
my future dog. I'm gonna
find
name him
tomorrow.
Charlie.
Oh, that's so cute.
Right?
Yeah.
So just wanted to show you guys with a little less brightness how the makeup looked. Super natural, super just every day, going to the grocery store, going to the post office, going to Whole Foods, girls' night, sweatpants vibes. Like, that's like this makeup look, you know what I mean? Like, just cover the dark circles, give me a little glow, which we have, a little rosiness on the cheeks. Okay, now we're going to Whole Foods. This is the finished makeup look. Okay, we'll see you at Whole Foods. Okay, do you want to do the thing?
Okay, bye guys.
Use an Xbox and I'm more Atari. The way you play your game and there. Oh, preach! Preach! I'm falling in love with you. I know that tomorrow Megan's feeling lying cheap.
Thumbs up the video if you're Army. You don't know what that means, but it's okay. Army.
No, I do. BTS Army.
Oh my god, yeet!
Everyone knows that, okay? Do you think I live under a rock?
I love them so much.
Yes. Show them the box. Show them the box.
Okay, okay.
Pineapples on pizza is the best thing ever. If you disagree, I just don't know. And then we also have the classic cheese. And then we also randomly have 2 egg rolls. Vegetable egg rolls. I love kombucha.
I like it, but not as much as you.
Dude, I'm like addicted to it. Like, the taste of it is just everything to me.
There's a lot we can talk about, but like.
Do you hear that? Do you hear me swallowing?
Oh my god.
That's obviously what they do, isn't it?
They don't say, do you hear me swallow?
Yeah, they do.
No,
Yeah, they do.
I watch a lot of ASMR videos though.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. Hearing people actually swallow though.
Oh my gosh, that burns my throat. Because I don't think you're supposed to do that with kombucha. It's Matt Daddy.
Second bitch, like, she got my butt. And then he was like, you should.
I have a good game. First impressions of each other.
No!
What? That's good.
First impression of Karen looks so seductive.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. It's kind of sexual.
We had a little spillage.
You had a little spillage.
She's
lucky, Rosé.
Oh, I feel so bad. I literally feel so fucking bad.
Look, it's like gone. Look, it's gone. Look it.
Look it.
Yeah,
Wow. Hashtag sponsored for Resolve.
Listen, one time I used Folex and it actually brightened up my car.
Did I? I didn't say Revolve. I meant to say Resolve.
Resolve resolves the issue, and look, you can't even tell you spelled.
We can't even tell, and 5 times the benefits. We love that.
And it smells like fresh.
Does it? It's 3 a.m. We just got home from Karen's house. We didn't really get to vlog too much. It was more like looking into the next year. Personal goals. Deep down, like real deep down, like what we wanted to achieve. I know I said that in the last video that my next video was gonna be the drugstore, what's new at the drugstore, but that'll be my next video after this video, obviously, because you're already watching this video. But yeah, we'll see you next time.
Good night.